All right, today I have a Nissan Armada, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats of a Nissan Armada. I'm going to show you how to lay it down flat so you have more cargo space inside of your Nissan Armada. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this content helpful in any way? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Nissan Armada. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the trunk to get back down there. Back there, there's 2 rows of seats back there. I'm going to lay them both down flat, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reach down here. I'm going to open up the trunk by pressing the trunk button to open up the Nissan Armada. So press that. You can see the trunk is opening back there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the second row of seats right here. Now these need to lay down flat, all right? And so in order to lay these down flat, right here, what you're gonna do is, there is a lever right here, and I'm gonna take my hand and I'm just gonna pull that, and the seats lay down flat, and they even come up like this if you need it right there. To see that? Pretty amazing right there. You can either have it like that, or you can let it roll up, just like that. Pretty cool, right? And then I'm gonna go on the other side of the vehicle. I'm gonna go on the other side of the vehicle, and I'm gonna open up the rear door on this side, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna pull that, and look at that. Look at all that space. Now we have one more row back here that we can use, okay? So I have 2 seats laid down, all right? Laid down flat, or roll it up like here, have all that space. So I'm gonna go around, and in the back of the vehicle, there are straps on the seats right here. Do you see this? I'm gonna simply pull those, and you can actually pull them back to have them recline, or you can push them forward and lay them down flat. Pretty amazing. Now watch this. I'm gonna do this right here. Lay that down flat. Now, if you want a whole flat space, remember what we did? I can have this right there so it's even. Look at that. It's even. We're gonna do that to the other side as well. So I'm gonna walk around the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and open this part, and I'm gonna lay this down. So now look at all of this flat space that you have to put in all sorts of great things. Now, in order to put them back up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take this lever, push that up like that, come around to the other side, do the same thing right here, pull that, it's up top right there. And then for the rear of the vehicle, I'm just gonna come back here. You might have to reach in, or you can access it from the other side and just pull this back until it locks into place right here. And the other one's gonna be a little bit tough, so I'm gonna climb back here and pull this back just like that. And they're all locked into place. And that's how you lay down the rear seats inside of a Nissan Armada and put them back into place so you can use them. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you.